In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Biometrics. Then click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you finally get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. Lastly, answer this question by selecting one of the available options. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Show all notification content, high sensitive notification content, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!